Shit. A shy teenager is peer pressured by his older brother into playing a game that is said to summon the ghost of the town legend, the Lady Beneath. To disprove his brother and impress a girl at school, he reluctantly agrees. The rules of the games are simple. As long as Andrew holds his breath, he is safe from the Lady Beneath. But how long can Andrew hold his breath? What's up everyone? Good evening. No Reason here once again at ngayon ay manonood at magre-react na naman tayo sa isang award-winning short horror film from YouTube na pinamagatang Catch Your Breath. So ang simple lang nung rules. So basically ang movie na to is based dun sa nabasa natin is may isang teenager na na-peer pressure or na-pressure mula sa kanyang kuya. Yung kuya niya pa mismo yung nag-pressure sa kanya na laruin ang isang game about an urban legend called the Lady Beneath. And at the same time, para maging ligtas ka daw, kailangan mo i-hold your breath mo. Hanggat pinipigilan mo yung hininga mo, ay ligtas ka sa game na to. So sabay-sabay nating panoorin at tignan yung kwento nitong award-winning short horror film na to. At kung handa na kayo, alam nyo nang gagawin nyo. Patayin nyo na ang ilaw, lakasan ang volume, simulan na natin. A Matt Sears film, Catch Your Breath.
This place is insane.
Are you serious? It's disgusting.
Just think of all the shit that must have happened here.
Oh, I really do not want to. You know what, Mike? I don't want to do this anymore.
What? Come on, just do it.
No, I've changed my mind. You're just going to pull some stupid prank and make me look like an idiot.
I won't, I promise. Come on, everyone at school's talking about
This
this.
is so stupid. There's no way that's real.
Then why are you so scared?
I'm not scared.
Prove it's not real then.
If I do this, can we please just leave?
Yes, I promise.
I swear, if you do something.
I won't do anything.
Swear.
Swear.
Fine.
Okay, so I believe yung naka-block yung older brother and then ito yung younger brother. Kasi ang lakas maka-pressure nung naka-block eh. Talagang pinipilit niya pa yung kapatid niya eh. Lokong kuya to eh.
What do I have to do?
Yes, right. You need to take these 2 candles.
Mum said I'm not allowed to play with fire.
Seriously, Andrew? Just take the candles, go upstairs, light them, and then fill up the bath.
You want me to take a bath?
Everyone wants you to take a bath, but no. Once the bath is full, turn off the taps and say this rhyme while looking into the water.
This sounds a lot like Bloody Mary.
It's nothing like Bloody Mary.
Oh yeah? How so?
Because everyone knows that's bullshit. Just look into the water and say this rhyme. Lady beneath who drowned in this water. Lady beneath who strangled her daughter. Lady beneath whose blood that runs cold. I'll give you life with breath I can't hold.
And then what?
Once you've said the rhyme, put out one of the candles, then the lady beneath will appear and put out the second one. Okay, this next part's super important. Once you see the lady beneath, hold your breath for 1 minute. As long as you're holding your breath, she can't get you.
Putik parang alanganin yun ha. So once you see the lady beneath, i-hold mo lang yung breath mo. So ibig sabihin talaga may magpapakita sa harap mo na multo. At para makaligtas ka, kailangan hindi ka hihinga. Bukod dun sa ang haba nung rhyme ha, na sinabi niya. Para siyang Bloody Mary, di ba? Sabi nga nitong nung bata na bida. Para siyang Bloody Mary kasi, pero kasi sa Bloody Mary saglit lang eh, Bloody Mary. Yung rhyme kanina ang haba eh. Nakalimutan ko na nga yung sinabi.
Once you've held your breath for 1 minute, she'll disappear.
What happens if I can't hold my breath that long?
I'm not sure exactly.
But you're not sure?
Just hold your breath, okay?
Let's just get this over with.
Nice. I'll be right here.
Wait, you're not going to do it with me?
No, it only works if you're alone.
I don't know about this, Mike.
Come on, just stop being a pussy and do it.
I don't told you not to call me that.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry. Look, you like Jenny, right?
Yeah.
Well, think how cool she's going to think you are when we tell everyone you did this.
Okay.
Nice. I'll be right here.
Yun lang.
And you'll open the door as soon as you hear anything.
Of course.
Pag crush talaga, napapahamak sa mga crush eh. Pero medyo kups tong kuya. Talagang siya pa yung pumipilit dun sa kapatid niya na gawin. Alam niyang dangerous eh, di ba? Pinapagawa niya pa. Hindi to peer pressure ng mga tropa lang eh. Peer pressure to ng sarili mong kadugo eh. Lokong kuya to.
Good luck.
And basically, sabi niya naman after 1 minute, mawawala naman daw yung multo. Tignan natin. Sanay tayo dyan, mga brown out. Ayan na, gagawin niya na. First step daw is light the candle eh. Tapos i-fill up yung bathtub. Ayan natin.
Okay. Here we go.
Shucks,
Lady
eto
beneath
na.
drowned in this water. Lady beneath who strangled her daughter. Lady beneath whose blood that runs cold. I'll give you life with breath I can't hold.
Lalabas kaya? Kala ko nasa likod eh. Patay mo na. Di ba dapat patayin yung kandila?
Mike! I told you nothing was...
Pucha, nagsalita siya. Ayan na. Hold your breath, hold your breath. Shucks.
Come on.
Shoot. Huwag kang hihinga nga daw nga ni. Huwag kang nga daw hihinga. Huwag kang nga daw hihinga. Huwag ka nga daw huminga eh. Huminga ka ng huminga. Shoot. Holy f...
Mike!
Huwag kang huminga. Shit. Ayan. Huwag kang huminga. Shit. shit. Wala, hindi niya kaya. 1 minute eh. Kagi.
Oh, fuck, no! Andrew, wake up, please! No! Andrew, come on, wake up!
Dapat mabiktima ditong kuya niyan
Please wake
loko
up!
eh.
I'm sorry! Andrew, come on! Andrew! Please!
Ayun. Dahil silang dalawa. Galing. Galing ng pagkakagawa. Galing. Yep, and that's about it. Ayan. Dito na naman nagtatapos ang ating episode for today or for tonight. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng concept ng film. Kasi wala nang, yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, kaya gusto ko ng mga short horror film kasi wala nang masyadong paligoy-ligoy pa. Straight to the point. Isang game, nag-dare, ginawa yung game, boom! Diba? Play stupid games, win stupid prize. Ayan. Kaso, medyo naawa lang ako sa biktima kasi na peer pressure lang talaga siya nung kuya niya. At yung kuya niya medyo coops, diba? Isipin mo, dinare mo sa ganun yung kapatid mo. Pero sobrang ganda ng concept ng film. Kaya sa tingin nyo, urban legend lang ba talaga siya? Kasi para siyang para siyang ginaya sa Bloody Mary. Pero tingin nyo, meron kaya talagang ganito sa ibang bansa or kahit saan, yung Lady Beneath, or may mas malalim pang istorya tungkol dun kay Lady Beneath. Diba? So comment lang kayo guys, don't be shy, comment lang kayo kung may papareact kayo, may papa shout out, and again kung nag-enjoy naman kayo dun, please drop your like, at kung bago ka, mag-subscribe ka na rin, and again, I'm No Reason. See you in the next nightmare.